Ebuka Obi is a fake man of God. Everybody knows. You are fake. You know you are fake. You attack Ọmenala from the altar, or I mean, where you preach from, you attack Ọmenala. You attack everything. You even bring Ochiri to church, and bring a fake Ezewayo to church to mock Ọmenala.
Ndị ba ekene mụ na ekenekwa m Igbo niile ebe nọ n'enene ma ama na m anyị ma ihe na-akpọtụ n'efere mba ụwa kemgbe nya for the past 24 hours na ihe na-akpọtụ n'efere mba ụwa bụ Attire has come to bring out so many things na kwesịghị ịpụta. Eziokwu na-ebuli Attire tupu ebuli ya, but resisting arrest is a crime in Nigeria, and also dragging a rifle n'aka onye police is also an offense in this country. Igwe onye police bịada una na-azọ egbe ya azọ. Anything can happen at any time, because onye police ama hapụrụ gị egbe ya kata ma ihe na-egbe otu eme ije na station ho ya ekpegbu gị maka na video shows that ị na-adara gị egbe ne. But the emego the man surgery, but I still want to find out the outcome. Ka mmadụ really na agbali egbe ahụ ka ọ bụ mma na adị n'isi egbe ka asụlụ ya n'ụkwụ ka ọ bụ ọnụ egbe ka asụlụ ya n'ụkwụ, because I really need to find out. Mana ha na-asị na agbali egbe na that video afọrọ m mgbe agbada aga onye polisi gbada aga ya, because onye polisi gbaa ya egbe ahụ ndị nọ n'akụkụ ya afọ na-agbago dị gaa ya egbe. M na-efilo mgbe ha na-abụ na struggle ka onye polisi sụlụ ya mma n'ụkwụ o mma ha na-adị n'isi egbe mana onwe mma na-adị n'isi egbe ka o wepụta sụọ ya n'ụkwụ. Ndị polisi gbanile egbe enu mana dati na-abụrụ egbe ka agba n'elu. Go and verify you. Dati na-abụ ọkụ egbe ka agba n'elu. Dati mgbe gịnị egbe dị na safety agba n'elu due to no AK-47 o wee na-eme ike gịnị noise bi na gịnị ọ dị na safety. So bụ ihe anyị bịakwute ajọ ọsọsọ ka nkọwatụ na obele ihe some of the scenarios in discover na that video. So now secondly, this guy apụtago kịta wee na-akpọ Evangelist Ebuka Obi fake. Na afịa maka ọ naghị afịara kịta ọfịaba arụ mmadụ ya nọrọ onwe ya una na-achụ ya mmadụ ni ọ bụ onye oshi na ọ bụ fake n'ome. Ịkpọtagoli ya nwanne gị nwoke ya na abụ nwe problem ohile ihe ịkpọtagoli ya nwanna gị for you to verify na ihe bụ fake. Ije zụọ that product n'ahịa weta ya onye hụ gị the same thing a na-eji maka ihe ma advert na ihe ọ na-eme. That is where you can boldly confirm na that thing bụ fake. Unu nọ dị na-enecha vidiyo na nwekịta nwere onye chọrọ ikwu okwu maka mgbe ọ ya estate asịwa na mmadụ na oppress mmadụ ibia. This is that na na-ekwu okwu ya na ịmala nke ị na-ememesi iwe ike si na lane gị ịbana na lane onye ọzọ n'ọlụ onwe gị ka onye ọbụla n'ọlụ onwe ya. Na-ene vidiyo na nwanne banyere na anachi ata azụ ọzọ.
Ụtụtụ ọma ndị be anyị ndị Igbo, ekene m ndị Igbo niile gbaa gburugburu. Ọ ijele nnukwu mmanwụ n'ebe tata bụ ụbọchị obere ụbọchị eke ka m na-ekene ndị Igbo niile. Asị na afọ ekwulo mere okenye mana ekwu anụrụ mere nwata. Ọ ife na-akpọtụ ka anyị bịara itinye ọnụ na ya bụ ihe gbasara the arrest of Matthias Ezeaku bụ onye eziokwu anyị ma onye na-ekwuru Igbo. Yes, Matthias is one of the people who has been doing so well for Ndi Igbo. He may not be getting it all right or correct. No one has ever even gotten it 100% in life. So, Manolo Kalilolo. Eba Neguta Manolo Kaliolo. Why we are angry with the church is that Rondo Kalilolo Fanalo. That's why we are so pissed off with the activities in Igbo Land. Yes, the church is offering nothing and yet taking much from us. So, and we want to know why this young man will be shut up. We are asking a relevant question here today, being a KD. If this man made the warrant to arrest, Ke Matthias Ezeaku, the man that has done more miracle than pastors has ever did. What has he done to warrant arrest? Some people were in the interest of protecting their business empire. Yes. And I want to ask these people. I want to ask Ebuka Obi, I want to ask Madam Baka, I want to ask every one of them that has ever threatened on social media to arrest people talking against them, people kicking against the church. What are you afraid of? What are you trying to protect? What has this young man done? Okay, he asked Ndi Igbo, he asked you to take people, the sick people to hospital. That is his only known sin. No sick people on there, no, they born no. Kamal even MFA. Give them treatment instead of olive oil. That's his only sin. That you should take the sick people to the hospital and let them get a better treatment. All over the world, because the world at large take people to hospital. That's the normal way of doing this very thing. That is what Mosias is advocating for. If I be for Kultur, if I be for Nekusike, then some people now want to cow him, now want to get him killed in their own very unholy power. But the question is, can the arrest of Matthias stop people from spending effort to talk against the church that has come to do Igbo more harm than good? Yes. Okay, now, look at it from this very angle. Ebuka Obi is ranting everywhere against people who are speaking against him. That is my question to you. From Ijele, I'm asking you, Ebuka Obi, that you look at people's spam and tell them anything. Any of you can do that. On YouTube. So tell me what extraordinary you have done as Ebuka Obi, as a man of God, that you so much hype yourself to become or to be, that make you exceptional, that make you want to shut every other person's off. Yes, Ebuka Obi, I want to know, what have you done? I mean, I want evidence of your ministry. I want evidence of your healing. Who have you ever healed with that your Salafi water and the rest of them? Ebuka Obi, all God, the only person and about all Safa, Omenala Igbo, as a church pastor or church evangelist or whatever it is. Only you can about all Safa as a pastor. From somebody praising himself, somebody want to be in a good record at all times. I thought a clean conscience fears no accusation. But each time Ebuka Obi is mentioned on social media, he becomes so apprehensive and so rattled up. He becomes so rattled up and apprehensive. He wants to defend it. He wants to appear so blameless. He never wants to be mentioned in the bad light. That is Ebuka Obi life. Ebuka Obi is a fake man of God. Everybody knows. You are fake. You know you are fake. You attack Ọmenala from the altar, or where you preach from, you attack Ọmenala. You attack everything. You even bring Ochidi to church, and bring a fake Ezewayo to church to mock Ọmenala. But there's something I want to tell Ebuka Obi today, that there's nothing you can do to stop Ọmenala. Ọmenala has come to stay. And I tell you that, let me shock you today, that Christianity is only marking time. Their time has elapsed. Their time has come to an end. You must know the truth. No amount of arrest or torture can stop what must be from being. Because in the spiritual realm, the battle has been won. The battle of this very Ọmenala has been won. Ọmenala the speed that or you know choose or here in Agota or evolve. I don't want to know how much you want to protect your business, because to me it's a business that you are fighting for. You want to be relevant, you want to stay relevant, and that's why you are picking up people who speak against you, you torture them, you kidnap them, and with the legal abandon, you do what you wish to do. But let me shock you today that Ọmenala cannot be stopped by harassment. You cannot stop people from saying the truth. My advice to you is that you should go and release Matthias Ezewayo, because that man has done more miracles than you have ever done. He is helping the poor. He's lifting, healing the sick, giving them a better life, more than you have ever done. Yeah, if there is any you have even done, apart from the, your shenaniganism of, your way of duping people through the supposed gospel that we don't even know that exists. He brought in a foreign religion to us, and we can't hear it. Ebuka Obi obodo. That's what I'm saying, because you have access to money, which you got by telling lies and by feeding the people, by feeding their gullible mind with a supposed reality which is not reality, as an obvious illusion in a preach in an altar. You want everybody to become afraid of you. Who are you? Because I want to ask you, who are you? And all the lots of the pastors, whether you've been back or any other person you can think of, let me tell you something, you cannot stop this very wave of change. It is the time of Ọmenala to take back what has been taken from us a long time ago. And we have the backing of our ancestors. We have the very backing of our ancestors. You know, choose a Gota. And let me tell you, the pastors or prophet or whether you're Robi Kobi or you answer and back or whatever your name is, let me tell you, the more you arrest the people that are saying the truth, the more the radicals who cannot take nonsense from you will be rising up, will be springing up. There were more radical men than Ezak, than Matthias Ezak. There were more radical men than sisters. So whoever you have arrested before, now if you keep doing what you are doing, you will see men that will match you. You will see men that are going to rise to match you power to power and fire for fire. If you be a man, you can't flow men even not apprehensive and bothered over your business empire. You have never seen men. What you are seeing is just shadow of what is to come. Men are coming to speak the truth as it is. If you are doing well, why are you bothered? Why are you worried? If your presence in Igbo Land is happening in Igbo, then you shouldn't bother about what is happening, about what Ezak is saying. You shouldn't bother, because now clear conscience, not a fear accusation. That is what I know from childhood. Now no ye na-eme njọ bụ ihe na-atụ ụjọ eziokwu. Like the lie ya kwa eziokwu na-aga n'ụwa niile, people na-eche na ọ bụ eziokwu does not mean that the lie has prevailed. Maka na I'm saying that na eziokwu na-asị gara ịsa arụ na mmiri, asị sị na eziokwu ka baga saa arụ n'ime mmiri na well, inside the well, and eziokwu we may agree. Ha banye n'ime well ịsa arụ, asị wee gba ọsọsọ lapụ eziokwu n'ime well, gbagote wee chela akwa eziokwu wee yiri na-aga rezi n'ụwa niile. Eziokwu esi n'ime well wepụta chụgbazie asị afọ ọsọ ka ọ nata ya akwa ya, but lo and behold, he is already naked. And the lie is wearing the clothes that belongs to the truth. And every other person assumes that but it doesn't matter how long this lie has existed. The truth must prevail. The truth must be prevailed that Odenana Bezoku Nando. There's no two ways about it. It's either you join the moving wagon, the recent wave of change that has come to Ndi Igbo to stay, or you back out. You back out of the whole scene, because we are coming. The bureaus of our time are coming. The radicals of Ọmenala are coming. Men that will not hear word. Men that will not send you. Men that will march you power to power. However you want it. If you want to arrest, they will arrest you. If you want to kidnap, they will kidnap you. And I'm telling you the truth. You have not seen anything, and you're already feeling irritated and agitated. What were you here for? If men are still coming to speak the truth to thy face, we are against church. Church is an illusion. Omenala is where life is. Oh no, Omenala ka ndo there. There's no two ways about it. The day you release Matthias Ezak, the better for all of you, men of God who has conspired to shut up the truth. You cannot shut up the truth. Iman mechiwe eziokwu ọnụ, ebe jere n'okwu ọnụ ekwutata na iwere imechiwe eziokwu ọnụ, eziokwu ga-adị ile. Ọ ga na-adị, ọ ga na-agakwa. It must keep going and prevailing over lies. Matthias has not done you bad. Matthias is more relevant to Ndi Igbo than you have ever been. So why are you trying to shut him up? Why are you trying to cow Ndi Igbo through arrest and torture? You cannot. You must keep saying the truth, because you have access to e-gotten where you think you can stand to pick people from different locations and shut them up because you feel that you have the power. No, you cannot stop Ndi Igbo from saying the truth. Omenala has come to stay. Omenala has come to stay, and the church cannot prevail over Omenala. Well, We were here before you come, and after you have shown all these shenanigans, we will still be here when you are gone. We will publicly disgrace your exit. The exit of Christianity, the exit of the fake white man religion that has come to, put us against each other, that has come to separate us, that has come to make us fight one another. It was a deliberate planting by the white people. And you regret this very thing that has happened to Ndi Igbo, that we are fighting ourselves. The black men are fighting because of a white man religion that they never practice. They brought it here to conquer us. They brought it here to enslave us. They brought it here to put us at one and against one another. And here we are buying it. Here we are using it for business. That very thing they have bought to, they brought to the seven Ndi Igbo. They have bought to cow us. They have bought to enable them conquer us and rule us the way they want. We prefer fake things over original things. We want our originality back. Matthias is only helping you to know who you are, and you have the guts, the effrontery to go and arrest him and detain him, probably try to make him submit or surrender to your whims and caprices. But it's not going to happen, because more radical men than Isiagu will be springing forth, because Omenala has a mission. And that mission must be fulfilled. That mission of Omenala must be fulfilled. You cannot stop it. You can't. You can never. Though you may try, but you can't. Because the next move of Omenala will bring you men that will match you. Men that are fearless before the weapons of war. Fanabia, Fajike, Ikuko Nana Buabel, on a boadro. Or than a good what Ikukunabia, and the imo choose of Fayagini more Nimegota. Una Pochieg, not even ever. It doesn't matter how far you think you have gone, or how much people you think you're connected to, whether you are close to the government or not, it doesn't matter. Omenala is coming to defeat all these lies that has paraded in our life for a long time. Omenala is coming to expose all. Oga, Ebuka Obi and the rest, whatever it is, whoever is involved in this. There are people you cannot touch and go scot-free. There are people you cannot arrest and become the same again. There are people that when you dare them, their Orlamo will make sure you go into extinction. There are people with the highest chi, with okay chi, that each time you dare them, you see power. Each time you dare this man of truth, each time you dare this lion, these soldiers of truth, these soldiers of Omenala that is bringing, that you anger, you activate some forces against you. I am asking you, whoever is involved in the arrest of Matthias Isiagu, to release him to them, because you cannot stop what he is here for. You cannot stop what this man is here for. So you must know. Ebuka Obi should show us the evidence of healing of the so-called salafik water or whatever it is. Then all Matthias is doing well, taking people to hospital, and you want to shut him up. That's your salafik water you have been selling. Who has it ever healed? Show us evidence of healing. Then we can believe you. What you want is change. It can't be selling illusion in guise as reality, and you expect us to cry for you. No, we cannot cry for you, because we are here to stop you. I said we are here to stop your shenanigans. We can no longer take it. And we cannot take illusion anymore. We want reality. We want something that must preserve our history and who we are. That is what we are trying to promote in this land. Nobody anywhere, no pastor who wants to protect his business empire should come and tell us otherwise. I fight you head on until you enter where you can never again raise your head against Omenala. This is what you must know. You can't stop us. You can't stop this move for Omenala. It has come to stay. We'll find out who you are. How can you bring in a foreign religion that is dead, full of lies, programmed to enslave Africa, and you want us to prefer it over our own? It is not possible. It is not going to happen. So the earlier you begin to do the right thing, the earlier you begin to release Matthias Isiagu, the better for you. Or else, more radical people will rise to defend this very Omenala that you have come to stop. You cannot stop it. Even if thousands of years, Ebuka Obi and Mbaka Ebuka Obi and back another prophet who may be planning in secret. Thousands of you people cannot stop Ọdịnala and the move of Eziokwu dị n'ime Ọdịnala. We are here for it. We die here. Eba ka anyị wụlọ. With everything that is in us, we're going to stand and fight to see that Ọdịnala is restored in power and glory. This is what you must know, that we are fearless in what we preach. We are fearless in what we believe in. We defend it with everything in us, and we fear nobody. Ndi Igbo, come edere oyikwu na ntanama. As we do the Ndi chọrọ udo, onye chọrọ udo, we be tied that person. N'afa Chukwu n'ọdịnala, ise.
Amakwa m n'isi gị na like video ina ngwa kaba arụ subscribe na this channel egbe notification gị kiwe nkwa ike na-enweta notification bụ ọbụna ati video fa yona asebi ke bụ ọbụna ino na share this video kana subscribe kwa na channel line ke kana subscribe ko na drop comment gị na comment section me like chakwa video nke ọbụna ino onwe ihe ọbụna ịchọrọ na this channel regarding Matthias okwu Matthias for a very long time onwe playlist I create kwa biko kaba arụ na that playlist ya fucha some of the video regarding Matthias nke ọbụna ina foro just search ya na the channel o ya apụtala gị ka inwe nkwa n'ike nene ya ma tụgharịkwa n'uche ghọtakwa ebe anya bụ okwu siri ebido na ọ bụrụ tata ka anya bụ okwu dịba ka ọ dịnụ mgbe ọzọ.